even Leacock Collegiate Institute.
Did you know that Leacock has a fully equipped auto shop and a fully comprehensive auto program?
Sounds so cool, right? If you're interested in that, you can simply go to guidance and ask to be enrolled in a transportation technology course. Your timetable is full? No problem, you can simply join Auto Club after school. I was a member, and during my time in Auto Club, I got a chance to work in cars, learn about engines, and even got a chance to teach and mentor younger students who are interested in Auto Club. Make sure to join the Auto program today.